Hello and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host Angela and I hope you enjoy. Today I have a very exciting video with over 25 ideas to upcycle your old jeans into new clothes from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas on this list and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I'll recreate the winning ideas. Simply leave the number you're interested in within your comment. Less talk, more watch. Let's check out what these fantastic jean artists have to share with us today. This purse was made from a pair of jeans. You could use children's or adult jeans for this project, depending on the size you want. Either directly close the bottom part of the pant, or create an oval to sew to the bottom of the purse to make it more three-dimensional. Gather and apply your most beautiful buttons, ribbons, and flowers to the outside of the purse. Finish it with a natural cord looped through the belt loops as shown, and you have got yourself a beautiful purse. This corset looks really easy to make. Cut off the legs of one pair of jeans, then you'll cut them into the length you want your corset. Next, cut the seams off of one side of each pant leg to make a flat piece of fabric. Once you've done this, sew the two pieces together to create one long piece. Cut the piece the proper length to fit around your midsection, remembering we want the front to be open to show the garment underneath. Hem the two ends, then place your grommets and lace it up. Good job! It looks as though this artist used the top part of the jeans for the top part of her top, and then she cut the legs off to fit around her arms. For this look, you'll either have to hand paint the design on the fabric or use iron-on transfers. Either way, you have some very unique jeans. And open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. This skirt was made by using a light color pair of jeans and a dark color pair of jeans. The jeans have been taken apart and put back together, swapping the waistline, pockets, and the base of the dress. Leave the front open and use some of the leftover denim to close the back of the skirt. What a cute little belt and wrap! There is definitely enough fabric in a pair of jeans to make this unique piece. This corset top is really unique. I love how the top layer allows for a curved seam to fit nicely. And I really like how the underbust area has buttons just like a pair of jeans. This project would call for 3 colors of jeans. This beautiful skirt uses the top of a pair of jeans coupled with layered paisley fabric. I like how the bottom of the skirt has various points. This outfit was made by taking a pair of overalls and turning the bottom into a skirt. There will be a tutorial for turning jeans into skirts coming soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all of the creative content. The creator of this piece did such a beautiful job. To make this yourself, use a bodice pattern and then several pant legs to make the rest of the dress. Add vertical gathered strips to the skirt, and you have yourself a fancy denim dress. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe and notification button. Please share this video with someone who would like it. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.